Hi there, students. A libation. A libation. Nowadays, I would think we use this word probably only for an alcoholic drink or to have a drink. So we went to the pub for a libation after work. Let's see, this word a libation is actually very formal. A libation is something that ancient societies used to do, is to pour out an alcoholic drink for your god. So you could pour wine on the altar. This would be a libation. Or to pour wine onto the graves of your ancestors. This as well would be a libation. A libation, this is a ritual pouring of liquid, offering it to a god or to a spirit, or in the memory of the dead. You can actually also offer a libation of rice. In the Far East, they sometimes offer libations. Maybe you scatter some rice, offering it to the gods. Let's see, for example, if a group of friends are going to have a drink, and one of the group of friends has died, maybe you put a glass for this dead friend and you pour a drink for everybody, and you also pour one for the friend who has died. This would be a libation. This drink for the friend who is not there would also be a libation. Okay, so a libation, I guess a ceremonial drink. Yeah, the ceremonial drinking of something. But this, I think like this, it's quite rare, because normally you don't drink the libation. The libation is not for, it is for the god. It's not for you or for the memory of the deceased person. I think maybe a toast to somebody who's died you could consider a libation as well. But I think nowadays we would just use this word to mean a drink. But be careful, because this word libation itself is a very formal word. But you could use it informally to talk about an alcoholic drink. So the example that I gave at the beginning is a joke. Do you want to go for a drink after work? Do you want to go for a few libations? Yeah? Or a libation, the act of drinking. Yeah? But this is facetious. You're using a formal word to make a joke about it. Yeah? So a libation, an alcoholic drink. Yeah, I guess we only stayed for the libations, and then we left. Yeah, what is your favourite libation? What's your favourite beverage, liquid refreshment? Your favourite drink? So let's see. I think libation, if you're using it to talk about a ritual pouring of something to the gods, this is a 7 in formality, semi-formal or formal writing. However, I think you could use it informally to make a joke using a formal word. Yeah, so the libations provided at the party were great. Yeah, I partook too heavily of the libations last night, and I've got a terrible hangover. So you could use it like that, but not in a serious way. As to origin, it comes from Latin, from libatio, libare, to take a little of something, to taste, or to pour something out as an offering, particularly as an offering to honour the god. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Libation.